I am Anusha US, roll number 20 from batch 2021, and this is an open-ended lab, which is an Arduino-based project which is assigned to us by Dr. Shakil Ahmed. In this project, I have made an ultrasonic radar that detects an object which comes in its range with an ultrasonic sensor and Arduino Uno. The components I have used in this project is a breadboard, Arduino Uno, a servo motor, an ultrasonic sonar sensor which is attached to the servo motor spin head, jumper wires, male to female and female to male. Here is the working demonstration of my project. As the sonar sensor detects an object's frequency within 40 centimeter distance and angle from 15 to 165 degree of the servo motor moving, it shows frequency signal on the screen. The text displays on the screen is edited in processing for Python app code to show my roll number and name. So here you can see this is an ultrasonic sensor attached to the servo motor, and I am connecting the port to the computer. So it has started moving. Now as I'll run the processing app code in the serial monitor, it will show display on the screen, and as you can see my name is also displayed on the screen. I have edited the processing app code to show the different parameters of angle and distance on the screen. I have used two apps in my project, Arduino IDE and the Python processing app. For the Arduino code, I have used the servo library, and I have commanded the code to the revolution of servo from 15 degree to 65 degree. And in the processing app Python code, I have edited my name and roll number on the screen to display on the screen, as well as the angle and frequency of the object to be displayed here. So here's the complete code from both the apps, and the overall project outline is that it can detect any object within 40 centimeter of its range.